first question is for Urmi Akhtar. Is summer your favorite time of year?
No, summer is not my favorite time of the year because it's very uh, hot weather and I don't like so much hot weather. And in our country, in summer, uh, very much hot, so I don't like.
And and Samrin, Mr. Samrin bro, is summer is your favorite time of year?
Summer is there are many ways that summer is my favorite year, favorite time in year, or there are many also there are many things that make summer that make me dislike for summer. Like in summer, for favorite, I can take many seasonal foods in summer, like watermelon, mangoes, jackfruits, uh, then many other fruit I can take, and those are my favorite fruit. And in summer, we can in summer we can for dislike reason, in summer we can't do many works. We can get sweat.
Yeah,
And
we understand. Next question.
Second question for Urmi Akhtar. What do you do in summer when the weather is very hot?
When the weather's very hot, I want to stay at home because, I don't want to go outside, and I'm trying to take a shower again and again because weather is very hot.
And the second question for Samrin. What do you do in summer when the weather is very hot?
I like to stay at home, but as students I can't stay at home, and most of the times in summer uh, I need to go outside for some things. And in this summer I like to play many games with my friends. And and then I come to my home and take shower most again and again. I take 2 or 3 times shower in summer time. Basically, the warm days, like
Okay.
when the weather is more than 43 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
Third question for Umi Akhtar. Do you go on holiday every summer?
No, I don't go holiday every summer because I don't like holiday, and I think uh, summer is not suitable for holiday. I think winter is suitable for holiday, so that's it.
And third question for Sabrin. Do you go on holiday every summer?
Yes, I like to go for holiday for every. I like to get holiday for every summer, and because the holidays I can go the many places. Like last year I visited Sylhet, and also I visited Chittagong. After Sylhet, I also visited Chittagong, and Chittagong is very beautiful for visitation and
For visiting.
for visiting. And as we can get the holiday, it's a suitable time for go for what's your tour.
Yeah.
So that is why I like summer for this region.
And the last question for Umi Akhtar. Did you enjoy the summer holidays when you were at school?
I didn't enjoy the summer holidays because uh, actually, I don't like summer month. And when I was in school, at that time, for summer I could not play, I could not go outside, and that's the reason I didn't enjoy the summer.
And the last question for Sabrin. Did you enjoy the summer holidays when you were at school?
Yes, I did enjoy very much, because in this time I can, as I mentioned you before that, in summertime I can take many seasonal fruits. When I were in school, I did take many types of fruits, many types of uh, playing, I can play with my friends because the school were closed, and that is why I can get enough time for playing, and I loved playing that time, and also love play. I also love play. That is why when I were in school, I love to play in summer. But there are also things that why I didn't like summer when I were in school. That was my mother always told me that don't go outside, but I could manage it to go outside.